Hello and welcome back. I'm your host Prachi Gautam, and in today's video we are going to talk about a very crucial topic. Is it really important for you to build a social media presence as a freelance marketer? Well, a lot of new marketers are wondering the same, like is it important for them to build the online presence, or is it sufficient for them to build their presence on Upwork, Fiverr or any other freelance platform to get the project? So in this video, I will be sharing with you what I have followed as a digital marketing in my past 6 years that has helped me work with 500 plus brands as a freelancer.
Oh my God.
So before I share any of my views, I would just like to ask you one question. So for instance, let's assume that you are facing severe hair fall problem. Okay, and now you are going to a doctor to get it treated. So let's just assume the doctor you are visiting, he's bald. He's not having any hair. So will you get treated by him? Because you'll be having a lot of questions that if he's a professional and having complete knowledge about the treatment, the therapies, the medicine, the precautions, then you'll feel like why didn't he apply and prevented his hair loss? So the point to be noticed is every customer or the client, they try to examine the service provider's growth and try to evaluate their proficiency based on it. Making it more clear to you, in this stage, if you saw that the dermat or the doctor was bald, so you'll also have the kind of questions. So in this scenario, as you saw that the professional himself hasn't implemented and tracked the great result, then how he or she would be able to give you the great results? Now it's very clear. Let's put ourselves in this situation. If just in a case of a doctor, if you're online marketing service provider and if any client is coming to you and he can see that you haven't made your digital presence, then how can you help someone else to build their strong online presence? It means if you are a digital marketer, a developer, a graphic designer or any expert offering the online services to the clients, to the brands, then first of all you need to have your online presence to present yourself as an authentic professional. Okay. Now, as we are talking about the online presence, there are two major ways you can build your digital presence. A is you can build your website. B, you can make your social media presence. Well, both of them are crucial, I would say, but building a website can cost you a little amount of money of around 1,000 to 2,000, but social media platforms are entirely free. You can create your profile on the social media platform for free, you can promote for free, you can use all the tools for free. So it's cost effective option and it's very simple as well. So when I'm talking about the social media, I think you must be having these icons in your mind right now. Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, right? There are so many of social media platforms, and for you as a freelance marketer to have presence on all these platforms is going to be tough because it requires a lot of time and energy, and you are a freelance marketer, so you're already dedicating 70 to 80% of your day while working for another client, so you're not having proper time to post consistently on all these platforms. So I don't want you also to feel overwhelmed. How about we just build our presence in one or two platforms, but how to choose these two platforms? Alright, so if I'm talking about Twitter, so it's a platform made for usually participating in the trends. If I'm talking about YouTube, so it is for coaching and consultants. But when I'm talking about Instagram or LinkedIn, these platforms are curated to help creators and business owners market themselves, promote themselves and sell their product or services. So if you're a freelance marketer, I would highly recommend you to build your strong presence on Instagram and LinkedIn. So you can definitely choose these two platforms and they are sufficient. Now, I would like to share with you my secret sauce here, how I went from 0 to 100k plus followers within 6 to 7 months and generated thousands of inbound client leads and made my freelancing a 7-figure business. Perfect. So I'm going to share with you 3 ways how you can make strong online presence and start getting leads. So maybe here in the screen you can see my Instagram page. The first thing that I've done was optimizing my profile. SEO optimizing your social media profile is very crucial. It can help you become visible to those people who have no idea about you, your name, but they are looking for professionals and marketers like you. So if you could see here in my Instagram, my along with my name you can see some keyword that define my profile. So please stuff keyword that define your expertise, like social media marketing or digital marketing, anything like that. Then speaking about the bio needs to be crystal clear. Rather than focusing about who you are, you should be focusing on what you offer and how you help. So this is my quick 3-line bio formula I would like to share with you. First line should be who you are. Second line should be whom you help, who is your target audience, and how you help. Example, I'm an SEO expert helping new websites rank on first Google page. And the third line should be simple, like DM me for more inquiry. After this, there's a link in bio. Now, especially in Instagram, we can include 5 links. These links should be of your portfolio, your sample work, your LinkedIn profile, and should be of your meeting scheduler. Now, coming to the most important point, that is content. If you have a very great content in your profile, it will reflect your proficiency. It is what going to attract the customers, the clients, and also can help you prove your knowledge. So, what type of content you should be posting on your social media? Well, to create a perfect content, first you need to understand who is your target audience. They can be coaches, consultants, fitness trainers, or maybe in general all the small business owners. So understand whom you're creating content for, let's say small business owner. In the second framework, you need to build a great content. You also need to understand what are their major pain points, what are their demands, what are their desires. So curate a content that speaks about them so that they'll be attracted, they'll be having reason to find your content and also engage with it. Third, share quick hacks. You are a freelance marketer, not a coach. Definitely, to build authenticity, you have to give them certain guidelines and tips, but don't start teaching. You have to give just small tips, strategies, or hacks. Okay. And then in each and every post, don't forget to promote your freelancing service as a solution. Okay. Well, I would like to give you literally very detailed knowledge, and I have made a special video on how to find clients and optimize your Instagram profile. And this content strategy, profile optimization strategy is applicable to your LinkedIn as well. So you can just watch that video to do in detail. I have just given you some quick tips here. Okay, so first, optimize your profile is start sharing valuable content, and third is pitching the prospects. Why it's important for you to have a great optimized social media profile, I tell you. Let's say if you are a client, okay, I'm having a social media profile and I'm pitching to you that, hey, I'm this and that, or something like that. I'm pitching you with a very great email or a DM that, hey, I've been noticing you're doing great, and these are some areas of improvement that I feel like where I can help you. And if you saw a DM, you'll definitely check their profile. When you are checking my profile, let's say, you'll see like, oh, this person seems to be really authentic. She's producing great content. So here your social media is not just a profile, but it's a portfolio for you. When you're going to pitch any prospect through social media, you are going to build a great authenticity. You can stand out if you have great content inside it. And not only this, if you SEO optimize, if you put keywords in your profile, then people in your profile, in your caption, if you use right hashtag, then any prospect looking for experts like you, they will start finding your profile. So please make it SEO strong. Well, I would just like to hold you right now, and if you're wondering like what exactly the pitching script we should be following when we are connecting with any new client, new lead to offer our product or services, I have also made a pitching script video. I will be sharing the link somewhere here and also in the description box. So don't forget to grab those lucrative skills. So guys, it's a thing like we are breathing in a digital world. So it's important for you to have your online presence, especially as a digital marketer. And hold on, if you're watching this video and wondering that, I understand, Prachi, whatever you are saying, it's important to build a social media presence, blah, blah, blah. But I'm an introvert person. I'm not good in making video. I'm not comfortable in taking my images or something or some stuff. Don't worry. I've started in the same situation where you are right now watching this video. So don't worry. It's not important for you to film a video or show your face on social media as a marketer to promote. You can use infographics, images, without even showing your face, you can build a great social media presence. You have no idea, there are a lot of social media pages, there are a lot of Instagram and LinkedIn pages there where you won't even know who is the founder, but you can see those pages are having millions of followers and they are generating great revenue. So don't worry about it. It's very simple for you. You just have to take care of your valuable content and present it professionally using images or creatives. You can use Canva or any another graphic designing tool. There are so many of them, but Canva is the easiest one. Anyways, so after watching this video, I just request you to at least optimize your social media presence, start posting content, and I'm pretty sure within 20 days you'll be at least getting one inbound lead. And if you're going to pitch anyone, someone will definitely have conversation about your services. So just try this. You are going to see the changes within 20 days. It's very important. You have to understand the potential of social media platform. And I really don't want you to paid promotion on social media organically. I went from 0 to 100k followers in 6 months organically, and these community members are still growing. Now I would like to close this video with this important message. A great content is not that sell, but a great content is what make people want to buy. Okay, so create content in that level. And if you want to get exclusive tips on a daily basis from my Instagram page, please follow me on @GautamPrachi.co, and please subscribe to this channel if you really found this video helpful, and comment below your views. And if you have any question that you would like to discuss with me regarding digital marketing career or building online presence, I would be happy to help you. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye, and please take care.